In this video, we will see why we should have three links in the email. So this video is very important. If you can see certain kind of a people who using the email marketing strategies right now, they don't know the importance of using three links in the email, right? So let's take an example. You are someone who believe in email marketing, and that is the only reason why you try to create your email marketing list right now. And let's say you have 400 people in your email marketing list, right? So why it is so very important for us to provide three links in the email. So let's take an example. You write the email, Shivam, these are the first quality which you need to have in order to become a great businessman, right? So you already provide that. I think the persistency which you need to have when you want to become a business owner in the email you are writing that particular thing right now. But after that you are providing the link. Here are the things if you want to learn about persistence, you need to click on the link so that you can buy the course of mine as far as persistence is concerned in the life, right? So you are providing that particular thing with the first link, then you are selling to the body copy. Once you are able to do that, then again there is a link to join your second course, or maybe there is a link to join your free mastermind so that you can provide the value to the people, right? And at the end of the email you are providing that particular link also in the peer section also, right? So here if you can see, you are providing the same link three times in the same email only. Why you are doing that? Because let's take an example. If someone is very busy, who's actually not going to read all the emails right now, he will straight away go to your PS and he will try to read what exactly the thing which you are providing right now in the email, right? Once he gone to that PS, he will be able to see, okay, so this email is all about persistent and this man is trying to promote this particular stuff. If he like that, he can definitely visit that particular landing page, but if he don't like that, he will not go and he will not visit that particular landing page. So that is why three links is very important. If someone don't have any time, he straight away click on the first link. If someone again don't have any time, he will straight away go to the PS, he will click on the link. If nobody has the time, he can straight away go to the second link of the email. So that's why PS section is also very important, and the three links which I am telling you is very important in the email marketing section. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can share this particular video to someone else also. Thank you so much.